Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for those looking for the best small milk container or juice bottle on the market. We're talking about the Sickle 8-ounce juice bottles. Whether you need them for milk, juice, or any beverage, these might just be what you're looking for. Let's get into the details. The Sickle 8-ounce juice bottles come in a pack of 3, each with a capacity of 8 ounces. They're made from food-grade PET plastic, ensuring they're safe, durable, and perfect for storing liquids without any worry of leakage. These bottles come equipped with tamper-evident caps, making sure your drink stays securely sealed and fresh. Ideal for juices, milk, shakes, or even water, they're designed to be reusable and perfect for daily use. With dimensions that fit easily into lunch bags, gym bags, or backpacks, they're great for on-the-go lifestyles. Now, let's break down why these bottles stand out. The bottles are designed to be sturdy and leak-resistant, which is essential for keeping your beverages safe whether you're at home, work, or out adventuring. Made from high-quality PET plastic, they're not only durable but also lightweight, which adds to their portability. The tamper-evident caps ensure that your drinks are protected from tampering, which is especially important for outdoor activities or when you're on the move. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable small milk container or juice bottle, the Sickle 8-ounce juice bottles are definitely worth considering. They offer durability, convenience, and peace of mind with their secure caps and versatile use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products like these. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like me to review next. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Take care.